Welcome back, students. The topic for today's discussion is string manipulation. In that, we will be seeing slicing. This is a very important topic. Let us discuss it. See here, I have taken str equal to pay attention. See, let us move on to the first print statement. I am trying to print the variable itself. The variable only holds the whole string, namely pay attention. So my output would be pay attention. This will be my output for print str. Here I have given the positive index, that is I have moved from 0 to length minus 1. My length is 12. I have moved from 0 to length minus 1. This is forward direction. I am showing it in yellow in color. With respect to the backward direction, let me try to change it. So red in color. Let the content which is present inside the index. Let me say once again, the content which is present inside the index, let it be green in color, right? I am having three colors. For that is forward direction, yellow color, backward direction, it is red color, and then the content present in str in green color. I am trying to print str of 0. 0 means it is representing this location. In that location, what is the value present there? The value present there is a single value or a character. So the value present there seems to be P. Here, print str len of str. Len of str will give me the total length. The total length is 12. 12 minus 1 is 11. What is the character present in the index 11? Yes, the character present in the index seems to be n. 11. 11th index is n. Now moving on to the third part. Here only we are trying to learn the concept called as slicing. 3 colon. I am starting from a specific index. I am starting from a specific index. They have not given the end index. From here, I will be moving on to all the locations. So what kind of output I will be obtaining? Now, the highlighted one. The highlighted one in the green color, which accounts for starting from 3 to 11. So what are the character present? It is attention. On the contrary, if you are trying to have a print statement like this, str of colon 3. Colon 3 means it starts with the 0th location. Kindly remember, it starts with the 0th location. And since they have given a value minus 1, the value they have given us 3, or the index they have given us 3. Starting from 0, it will proceed till 2. So when it starts from 0, proceeds till n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1, 2 na, the highlighted output, namely pay, would be the output. Now they are trying to give 2 colon 5, which means it starts with the specific index 2. It starts with a specific index 2 and it moves till 4. That is n minus 1. 5, if I am treating it as n, last but 1. So my output would be y, a, t respectively. I am trying to print a character minus 1. Now I am trying to take the negative index. What is the character present in this particular negative index minus 1? It is n alone. See here, they are trying to give positive to negative. They are trying to move forward. 6 is on the upper side and minus 2 is on the lower side. If it is minus 2 now, you are supposed to go till minus 3. 6, 7, 8, 9. Or minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. It starts with the positive index, negative index before the negative index. That is minus 2 is my given criteria. Before minus 2 is minus 3. My output would be the highlighted one, namely ENTI. Now they are giving two negative things which will be easy. This one till minus 3 starts from minus 7. So the highlighted text is tent I. This would be my output. Now note this one. My positive index they are given as 9. Negative index they are given as 3. When they are giving positive and negative, which points to the same location and they want to print what is present there, you will not be having an output, you will be having a blank line. And hence I have marked it as a note. This thing you have to have it in mind. Similarly, 9:9 also you won't be having an output. And this one is very important. That is str open square bracket. If you are trying to have colon 2 times minus 1, it reverses the entire string. It reverses the entire string at one go. At one go. That is, pay attention will be reversed and the reverse will be visible. If I am trying to give colon 2 times minus 2 now, it starts with the last location minus 1. It jumps 2 characters every time. From minus 1, it prints minus 3 character, which is I. Then from there, it jumps 2 position. It is N, that is in minus 5. In minus 7, you are having T, that will be visible. In minus 9, you are having A, that will be visible. Again, in minus 11, you are having another A. This would be my output. Now let us check this example. str of 10 colon plus str of colon 10. When they are giving like this, 10 colon, it starts from 10 till the end. So I will be having on. This would be my part and partial of the output. This is the output for str of 10 colon. And here colon 10 I am having. So I should move till 9. I should move till 9, right? What are the characters present till 9? So these are the characters present. I am trying to copy it as it is. Sorry. PAYATTENTI. This should be my output. And the last one seems to be important or very important. See here, whenever I try to give str colon n plus str of n colon of any given index, it will give the original string. Here in the place of 2, I can give 3. And both the instances, I should be having 3 or 5. Note, n value should be not more than the length. If it is 5 colon 5 and 5 colon, it is going to give me the original string as it is. Let us discuss or let us re-verify these outputs by running the interactive Python notebook, and let us confirm what we have learned in slicing, whether the output is correct or not. Now let me run the same code in Python interactive notebook. We have the answer with us. Let us try to compare this system generated answer with the answer we have written as an output there. Now let me run the code which I have typed already. I have obtained the output as pay attention, PN attention, pay YAT, N, ENTI, tent I, 2 blank spaces, no, then IT net TAYAP, NINTWA, ON pay attention other than ON, then pay attention. So I have copied my output from the Word document below. So now let us check. First one is pay attention. It is there. PNP, it is also there. Attention is there. Yes. Pay YAT is there. Then NENTI TENTI. NENTI TENTI is there. 2 blank spaces we are having. No int. Same answer we are having. And then all the line number here, that is 13, 14, 15, 16. There also you are having the same output. I hope this topic, namely, I have copied. I hope this topic is clear. Thank you.